नमस्ते दादा.
नमस्ते. मी थोडंसं सगळ्यांना ऍडमिट करतो.
हो.
Hi. So, start with a prayer, and then I will share my slides. Today's slide.
Hari Om, sir.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
या कुलेन्दु तुषार हार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणा वरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिर्दैवै सदा वन्दिता सा पातु सरस्वती भगवती निषेचजाड्यापहा. Here my slides. My slide visible to all of you?
Yes.
No, not yet.
Not. Okay. Is it now? Yeah. Okay.
It's visible. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So
it's
let's
visible.
start. This in last session. We have covered the methodology or method how to calculate the square of a 2-digit or 3-digit numbers, even 4-digit numbers. We learn how to calculate the duplex, then 1-digit, 2-digit, 3-digit, and 4-digit squares in our last class. Just to revise how we did it for the 3-digit is that the same sequence we follow. Find the duplex of 3, find the duplex of 3, 4, find the duplex of 3, 4, 1, then find the duplex of 4, 1, find the duplex of 1. Okay, duplex of 1 digit is a multiply by itself. Duplex of 2 digit is 2 into the 2 digits, that 2 into 3 into 4. Duplex of 3 digit is a outer 2 digit into 2 plus middle number into middle number. So 2 into 3 into 1 plus 2 into 4 into 4. So 4 for the 16 and 3 to the 6. 41 is 2 into 4 into 1. Duplex of 1 is 1 into 1. And then we do the calculation of Vedic way to add the number to get the final answer. This is what we learned for the 3-digit. For 4-digit, we learn that for a single digit, the same process, 2-digit, 3-digit. Then 4-digit, only 2 outer numbers, 2 inner numbers. So 2 into 4 into 2, 2 into 3 into 3. So that is 16 plus 18, so 34. Remaining parts are same, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 2. Find the duplexes, arrange the number, and you get the 4-digit square. Yeah. So I hope that this squaring method is clear to all of you. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So let's start with today's session. Today we are going to learn how we are going to cross verify our squares. Means how to check is my square answer is correct or not correct. Yeah. So the thumb rule given by the Vedic mathematics, the square numbers are always the sum of the digits are only 1 or 4 or 7 or 9. Means if you add up all the digits, you will get either 4 or 1 or 4 or 7 or 9. And the square always ends with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 or 1. Okay, either one of the number. Okay, you will not get in a square 3, you will not get square end with a 7. Okay, so remember that. So 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0. These are the ending numbers for any square. So for example, we calculated the square of 4332 as 187,662,24. If we calculate the digit sum we can calculate as we learn the rule that you can ignore the number 9 or which add up to the 9. Okay, so 8 plus 1, 9 we can ignore, 7 plus 2 we can ignore. Yeah, because those are 9 has no meaning when we are calculating the digit sum. I think in last classes we have seen that. So we only take a remaining number 6, 6, 2 and 4. So 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. Yeah, 18 means again 9. So digit sum end up to the 9. So the first rule passes. Yeah. Last digit is 4. So again second rule, thumb rule passes. So it indicates that our answer is 100% correct. Is the technique clear how to cross check?
Yes.
Yeah, very simple. Okay, they end with 145690 and which digit sum means all the numbers which if they add up, they will either become 1, 4, 7 or 9. Both the conditions has to be matched. It's not either or, it's and condition. Okay, I hope you understand and means both the things needs to be satisfied. Clear? Any question on this particular topic? Squaring?
No.
No. And how to verify answer? Is this also clear? So you can also check your own answers now. Yeah. So now a polynomial square. Okay. See the beauty of Vedic math. Okay. It's even in case applicable to the polynomial. So suppose I have to calculate x plus 2 square. So what is the rule? Duplex of x and 2, duplex of 2. So duplex of single digit x is multiply by itself. So x into x, that is x square. Duplex of x and 2, that is 2 into x into 2. So 2 into x into 2. So again 4x. Yeah. Duplex of 2 is 4. So the x plus 2 square is nothing but x square plus 4x plus 4. Clear? Sorry, I should write the answer. I forgot to write the answer. The answer is x square plus 4x plus 4. Yeah. Clear? Okay. Now take more complex. Okay. X square plus 2x plus 3 bracket square. Okay. So entire polynomial square we wanted to calculate. What is the best way? Calculate duplex of each term. Duplex of x square, duplex of x square and 2x, duplex of x square 2x 3, duplex of 2x and 3, duplex of 3. Duplex of x square is x raised to 4, x square into x square. So x square into x square, 2 plus add. Then the rule of x into m into x into n is equal to x raised to m plus n. Yeah. Uh, then duplex of x square to x, again two terms multiply by 2. So 2 into x square plus into 2x. So 4x cube. Clear? Is the second step clear? Yeah. And then the third step, x square 2x.
Do you mind repeating it again, sir?
Yeah. Okay, I will repeat. So x square plus 2x plus 3 bracket square we have to calculate. So as we learn for a 3-digit number, similar technique we have to follow to calculate the duplexes of each digit. So x square, duplex of x square, duplex of x square and 2x, duplex of x square 2x 3, duplex of 2x and 3, duplex of 3. Single digit duplex is what? Multiply by itself. Yeah, so x square into x square. X square into x square becomes x raised to 4. Yeah, x square means x into x into x into x. So x 4 times. So x raised to 4. Duplex of x square and 2x. So for 2-digit, how we calculate? Multiply by within themselves and twice it. So 2 into x square into 2x. 2 into x square into 2x. So x square x is x cube. 2 into 2, 4. So 4x cube. Clear, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So duplex of x square 2x 3. Same technique. It just only x values are coming. Nothing else. So outer 2 digit into 2. That is 2 into x square into 3. 2 into x square into 3. I should have used the small x so that it should not just say mix with a multiply sign. Yeah. So what is then 2x into 2x? So 2x into 2x. So 2 into 3 is a 6, 6x square. 2x into 2x is 2 to the 4, 4x square. So 6x square plus 4x square. So ultimate answer is 10x square. Yeah. Duplex of 2x and 3. 2 into 2x into 3. 2 into 2x into 3. So 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12, 12x. So answer is 12x. Duplex of 3 is 3 into 3, 9. So we got the term x4, x raised to 4, 4x cube, 10x square, 12x, 9. So x raised to 4, 4x cube, 10x square plus 12x plus 9. Clear? Is this clear how to do it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, very simple. The same technique what we use for the number, same technique we have to use it for the polynomial. Poly means what? Variable values. Okay. Okay. Should I move to the next slide?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, today's technique we are going to learn that is called transpose and apply. Okay. This is a new sutra. That is in Sanskrit it is called Paravarti Yojayet. Paravarti. Okay. What is equation? Basically, we learn that in the school. Equation is where left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay. LHS is equal to RHS. Yeah. Which is means equated by the equal to sign. So that is called the equation. Yeah. So to solve any equation, you can use this formula or this sutra that is called transpose and apply or Paravarti Yojayat. But while you are transposing the terms, one need to understand that it always change. When you change the side, it will change the sign or operation. Okay, so whatever the plus on the left hand side become negative on the right hand side. What is negative on the left hand side becomes right on the positive into the right hand side. Same rules we learn in a school. What is multiplication? Get converted into division. Division get converted into the, when changing the side, converted into the multiplication. Is this basic rule clear? What is equation and how to do a transpose? Same as we learn in the school. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. How to now use to solve the equations orally? Okay. So I start with a very simple things. Okay. So 20 plus x. So you just need to transpose 20 to the right hand side. So transpose means change the sign. 20 is a positive sign. When it moves to the right hand side, change to negative. So 100 minus 20 is 80. So x is 80. Okay. Simple. Very simple. X plus 1.3 equal to 5. So 1.3 will move on to the right hand side. Change the signs. Your paravartya. It paravarted. So 5 minus 1.3. So 3.7. So x divided by 7 plus 7. So just 7 move to the right hand side. 20 minus 7. Sorry, 27 minus 7 is 20. Divided by 7, it's multiply. So x becomes 140. Okay. So what is important in solving the equation? That we should be doing it orally. That is the main intention. Okay, it's not like we are going to solve it by paper and pen. We should be able to just look at the equation and should be able to solve it on our own, in our mind. Say for example, 5x minus 4. So 36, it becomes 4 plus 4 becomes 40. So 5 multiply, when it goes to right, it will be divide. So 40 divided by 5. So its answer is 8. Clear? Is this clear how I applied transpose and apply?
No,
Yes.
I didn't understand.
No, very simple, man. Okay. Which one you didn't understand?
I didn't
Anybody?
get it from the beginning because due to the net problem, I think the screen is it's going and
Okay.
coming.
Okay, okay.
So I didn't get the starting part.
Did you understand the polynomial?
Yeah, polynomial square I understood.
Okay. Now let's move to the next sutra. that
Only
is called-
transpose and apply.
Yeah. See, transpose and apply is applicable for the solving equations. Yeah. What is equation? Equation is a left hand side equal to right hand side. LHS means left hand
Right-hand
side and right hand side.
Yeah.
We learn in the school.
Mhm.
While applying a transpose, what is happening? You need to understand the rule. When something changed the side, it changed the sign or operation. See, once if someone moves from Pandavas to Kauravas or Kauravas to Pandavas, it changes the side. So it becomes from Dharma to Adharma. Similarly, the same logic
Yeah.
applied to the mathematics. Okay, the positive becomes negative, negative becomes positive,
Negative.
multiply
Negative.
becomes division, division becomes multiplication.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
clear? Very simple.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So we use the same technique while solving the equations. Yeah, but you need to remember this is basic equations and we should be able to solve it orally. Intention is to solve it orally. Yeah, means 20 plus x is equal to 100. So 20 is positive, change the side to the right.
Yeah.
So becomes negative.
Yeah.
So x is equal to
20,
100 minus 20 is 80.
Yeah.
X plus 1.3 equal to 5. So 1.3 move positive to becomes negative. So 5 minus 1.3. So 3.7. X divided by 7 plus 7. So 27 minus 7, that is the first thing. So 20 divided by 7 means multiply by 7. So it becomes 140. Okay. Now next, 5x minus 4 equal to 36. So plus 4 minus 4 on the left hand side becomes plus 4 on the right hand side. So 36 plus 4 becomes 40. 5x means multiplication. When moved to the right hand side, become division. So 40 divided by 5. So answer is 8. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah, it's very simple. But
Yes.
see, what is important is observe and apply. Transpose and apply. Transpose and apply means just shift, apply, shift and apply, shift and apply. That's the only thing we need to remember. Yeah.
Yes.
So, for example, let's go to x minus 3 divided by 4 equal to 5. So 5 4 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. Okay. Now you guys tell me all other 4 answers. Do it orally, no pen and pencil. 3x divided by 4 minus 5 equal to 5. So what is x?
40 divided by 3. So
Perfect. 40 divided by 3. Perfect. That's it. Okay, we will not convert it into the decimal right now. We'll keep
Right.
as it is. Okay. Next person, tell me the next answer.
2.
2. Correct. Divided by 4, 3 is becomes multiply 12. 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 divided by 2. See, what is the term? 2x plus 1 divided by 3 equal to 4. Do it again.
Next one is 4.
Okay. Sorry, just 1 minute. Is the 2x plus 1 answer clear?
2x plus 1 divided by 3.
Do it orally, ma'am. Don't use pen and pencil. Observe the number and do it. So 2x plus 1 divided by 3. So 3 moves to the right hand side, becomes what? 12. Yeah. 12 minus 1. becomes 11. 11 divided by 2. Clear?
Yeah.
Sir, can I
Ah.
ask one question?
Yeah.
Uh, will an average student or a below average student will be able to do mentally?
Yes. They will be able to do it mentally once they understand the thumb rules. Yeah. And thumb rules means
Even
what is, yeah,
I think they will find it little difficult.
they will find it little difficult. Intention is because practice is very important, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah, but I
Yeah.
agree. If they
So, and
practice
yes,
again
and
and
that's
again,
why I started with a very simple thing. So, see, I cannot take maybe n number of examples. So I took it only 4. Yeah.
okay,
So more and more examples you solve orally, more and more they will be able to solve it. Yeah. See, it is
got
nothing
it.
but just a intention of mental or
Yes,
Vedic mathematics is to train our mind to,
teaching a child who is not interested but who wants to learn,
huh,
I feel that they may find it little difficult.
huh. See, intention is not, method is difficult. Intention, the reason is that the concentration level of a child. Yeah. And that's why it is important that a
There are
teacher,
many children who find like seeing the numbers and especially with the variables, they
hmm,
get afraid. How to take out the fear and tell them to, because
huh,
these methods are simple, but how to take out the fear and then help them to
huh.
come out with this.
Yes, that is very interesting question. See, one need to understand why we fear. Okay. Why we fear? Because it is something unknown to our brain. Okay. Think about it. What is fear? See, even which is
I've
going,
seen some children
yeah,
going blank by seeing the variable as well as numbers and brackets like this question, like 3 into 5x minus 2
yeah,
equal to 50.
yeah.
I've
See,
seen some children
I'm
going blank
just,
and
yeah.
trying to tell again and again they are not able to solve the questions.
Yeah. See, it's not about, I'm not talking about how to tell it again and again. I'm trying to teach a teacher. Okay. What the teacher need to work on. Okay. What teacher need to do? First of all, they need to understand the mindset of a child. Okay. Mindset of a
Okay.
child in the sense, okay, think from a teacher's perspective, then we will think from a student perspective. Yeah. So, from a teacher perspective, it is very important that instead of teaching in a mundane way, they should try to make the teaching more interesting to the kids level. Okay. There are various techniques to do that. First thing, teacher need to first understand why the child is afraid. Okay. The reason for any human being they get afraid, no matter they are child or no matter they are grown up. Reason is the first is the unknown, something totally unknown to their brain. Okay. Or second thing, something they feel that will harm them. Okay. Means they will punish them, or that will say create, they will fall, or they will get injured, or they will get something. So that's why students or even grown-ups are afraid of. Or another thing, even darkness. Why people are afraid of darkness? Because of unknown, because they don't know what is going to come next in the dark. Yeah. And our visual senses are not able to see what is coming on our way. Exactly. Is that point clear to you? Okay.
But sorry to
Huh.
interrupt you. But for
Huh.
example, in this question 3 into 5x minus, I'm sorry, I'm just going on asking you again and again.
Huh.
Like for example, 54 divided by 3, 18, it's known for people, okay, I'm interested in math, so I get it very quickly.
Huh.
But 54 divided by 3 to get 18, that
Yeah.
itself is a difficult for a child. I'm thinking from the child's perspective.
Yes. From the
Because
child perspective, when we learn the division, okay, I will teach you how to do the division as well faster. Okay. So I haven't taught the division. Okay. So
okay,
once I teach you the division, how to do a division very fast. Okay. See,
Okay.
normally how the students learn, we go for addition first, then subtraction, then we learn multiplication, then we teach the division. But unfortunately, I was teaching this sutra. That's why I pick up the sutra. And my next classes, I am teaching the division. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry for interruption.
Yeah. No, that's fine. Your question is logical. Yeah. So,
Thinking from child's perspective, and I was thinking, will the child be able to do quite fast as we are able
yes,
to do?
no, they are able to do it, ma'am, because this is what I have tried. This is a very tried and tested things on various children's across, means not only India but outside India as well. Those
Okay.
techniques, yeah, and this has been applied. Means even 6 years child or even first standard or second standard child, they were able to do it fast.
Okay.
Only I find it those who are having a prototype type of thinking process. Means I have seen some grown up, maybe college students, they could not think it that way. And because of that, the way of thinking is very stringent. They cannot, they are not flexible and they cannot change their methodology. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
For children, it is easy, but sometimes for a grown up, the college students, I find it difficult. Okay, that's my personal observation while I was teaching, various people. Yeah,
So normally
various
I try
ages.
some methods with my grandchild who is about
Yeah.
12 years old. That's why I was just asking.
No. Your question is right. But see, as a good teacher, one need to understand what is the fear factor within the child, and
Yeah, that's
then try
I
to
agree with it.
try to address that fear factor, because the fear factor for every children is a different. Means you cannot generalize that okay, this X student is having this fear, Y student is having same fear. No,
Yeah, it has different way, different
everything,
fears.
every brain works think differently. So as a good teacher, one need to understand what is exactly the fear factor of that child, and then try to remove that fear factor. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Sorry for
Yeah.
the
No, nothing. It's not an interruption. Okay. So let's move back to our class. And now, who will tell the next answer? 3 into 5x minus 2
Third
equal
answer
to
is 4.
54. 54
4.
divided by 3. Yeah, clear? Everyone got the same answer?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, what is the fourth answer?
2.
2. Correct.
2.
11 plus 3 is 14. 14 divided by 7 is 2. Clear? Okay. Okay. So now today's shloka. So I will suggest that to use this sutra, more and more practice and observation is very, very important. What is important while applying this technique is the observation and doing step by step process. What you are doing on a pen and pencil, you have to do the same in your brain, because our brain is very powerful tool what God has gifted us. Okay, because brain is what is the capacity of the human brain is like a two supercomputers connected together. How much computing power you will get, the same power is God has gifted us with every brain. And there are no two, like it is the same thing with all the brains. Only thing, we don't utilize that power, that's why uh, we lose that power. Yeah. Okay. So let's go to our today's Subhashit. Okay. So alasasya kuto vidya, avidyasya kuto dhanam, adhanasya kuto mitram, mitrasya kuto sukham. See, why lazy people? Okay, how can a lazy person get a knowledge? Obviously, it is very important statement that to get a knowledge, one need to do abhyasa. Abhyas means repeating the same thing again and again and again. It's called abhyas. Okay. So to get a knowledge, every person should, well, the person should not be lazy at all. Okay. avidyasya, those who doesn't possess the knowledge, okay, will not get money in this world or dhanam. Okay. And without money, person cannot have good friends, obviously. And a, or how a friendless person will get an happiness, because obviously we get some kind of an happiness in our life with the help of friends. Okay, because we can share our mind with them and they understand us very well, and hence the reason of the happiness with the mitra. Okay. So I hope you like the today's Subhashit. Yeah. So this is today's practice equations to do it orally mainly. To intention is to do it orally and just straight away write the answer. Okay. But if you train your mindset, it is possible. Yeah. And just to answer that, I have seen some of the students, even at the age of 5, 10, or 12, okay, they are even doing it complex equations way faster. Okay. And they are able to do it because of their level of concentration is much more than an adult. And the child brain capacity is growing at a faster rate than an adult brain. Means both brains are growing, but the child's brain grow very fast. Means number of cells growth in a child's brain is very high. Hence, they can learn very fast. Okay, and they can learn very diverse subjects. Yeah, at a time. Okay. Any doubt in today's class? Anything which is not clear?
No, all is clear.
All clear? Yeah. So we will solve. I will post all these homework as well as slides to everyone to practice and solve again and again. My suggestion to all of you to do a revision class, maybe first in a new year, so we will not forget what we have learned. So if you are okay with it, I will conduct a revision class. Otherwise, like if you suggest no need of revision, I will go to the next next thing. So I just wanted to ask you, all of you, that obviously it's a end of the year today. So is there any improvement, any changes you are suggesting me to do in our teaching so that you can learn it better? Yeah. Do you want me to go and do all the revision what we learned so far? Only mathematical techniques I'm saying. Yeah. Hello?
I think you can ask one question to each of the participant, particularly like by naming or by calling out,
Okay.
to get whether each one remembers the techniques.
Yeah. So
It's like a test, you can say.
or yeah, or see, test is some, see, intention is if I can keep a test, but see, if I say test, people get
Not
afraid.
like one,
So
like
it's
orally, then,
yeah,
whether they will remember the technique or something like that.
yeah. Or another thing we can do, I will put the slide and one person will explain that technique to others. How about,
Yeah, will also be good.
yeah?
Yeah,
So that way we will, I will stand as a backup. The person will explain that technique to the rest of the class. And if they are struggling or they are not able to explain, then I will jump on board or other students can jump on board. Yeah.
sure.
Good.
I
That will
think
help.
that may help. Yeah. So only thing we will maybe spend 1 or maximum 2 sessions to revise. So we need to be quick enough to do the revision. Yeah. Because we have
Sure,
long
sir.
way to go. We have so many
Sure.
techniques to learn. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Any other suggestions all from all of you? Anything we can do it differently or better so that it will be easier for all of you? See, I'm going very slowly. Reason is that every time I take a revision of a last class, reason is that one should not forget. And another is that learn one step at a time is better approach than maybe learning
Yes.
more techniques at the same time. That's why I take maybe every class I take only one technique only rather than 2 or 3 techniques. Yeah.
Yes, sir. And we are in the forgettable age only.
No, nothing like that. But see, it makes sense that everyone should learn at a slower pace because then it will be understandable to everyone. Nothing else.
Yes.
Okay. Any other suggestions you have, guys? And feel free to talk to. Like it's not like that. It's not for me. It's for all of us. Because in entire process, I also learn so many things. Any suggestion, ma'am? Any Rahul?
Like square of a number, a
Yeah.
two-digit number.
Yeah.
I used to teach the children. It's
Yeah.
the same way, but I used to tell them like if it is, say for example, let's take 41 squared
Yeah.
only.
Yeah.
Tell them take ones place 1 into 1 and multiply it and write in the
Yep.
units place.
Yep.
Then 2, the power is 2. 41 squared, we write 41 to the power 2. So I tell
Yeah.
them 2 into 1 into 4.
Yeah.
So if it is that you multiply and then write 8. Like
Yeah.
suppose if there is a carry over, write only the units place and keep the carry over in your mind.
Yes.
And the next number multiply by itself and add the remainder. Like I tell them like that orally instead of here we are writing like 9, 24, 22, 8 and 1, isn't it? So
Yeah.
I tell
See,
them in a simple method.
yeah. See, technique is mathematics is like a playing piano. You can play from
Yeah,
left to
it's
right
the
and
same
right to
formula
left.
like using a squared plus 2ab plus b squared
The
only. But
technique is exactly same. Only thing
yeah,
you are starting from right hand side and then moving to the left side. In Vedic
yeah.
mathematics,
Because it's easy
we
for the
start
children
from
to
left.
denote that easily from units, tens and hundreds.
Yeah.
That is why I tell them to do like that.
Yeah. But see, the reason we teach the left to right because then from the
Because for
visualization point of
four
view,
digit, this will be very
yeah.
simple what you are teaching.
Yes.
Mine will be used only for 2 digits for the children. It will be
Yes.
useful. But for
For
3 digits and 4
4
digits, what
digit,
you are
it will be
teaching
difficult.
much better.
Exactly.
Agreed.
Yeah. See, this is what I say. The beauty of Vedic mathematics is that, or the Indian mathematic
So
techniques are
the
that
same
they
number
are
of digits.
universal. Universal means it can be
Yeah.
applicable for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 digit square even. You can calculate.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
technique
Agreed,
doesn't change.
agreed.
Yeah.
So that is one.
Yeah.
But children in school years, they do mostly 2 digits
Mostly 2
only.
digits, yes. Mostly 2 or 3
That is
digits are
why I tell
required.
them this, they find
Yes.
it quite easier for them to do it.
Easier for them. See, exactly. But see, intention is like to find a universal method which can be applicable from a child
For
to
any
the very
number.
higher age. Yeah.
This is really good. I was also doing 3 digits and 4 digits, which was very, very helpful.
Yes, exactly, ma'am. Yeah. Any other suggestions from our class to improve our class? Yeah. Or if you want, you can message me or
This
text
class
me.
helps us to improve our knowledge. Thank you very much, sir. Very useful class.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am. And it's my pleasure to teach all those Indian techniques to all of you so that you will learn something new.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you,
So
sir.
we will stop here today and we'll meet again next week.
Thank you, sir. Happy New Year.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank
Happy New Year to all of
you.
you. Yeah.